Today, I will share 3 tips to eliminate your conversion killers. First, optimize your website speed. A slow-loading website frustrates visitors and increases bounce rates. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to identify speed issues. Optimize images, leverage browser caching, and minify code to improve load times. Second, simplify your navigation. Complex navigation confuses visitors and makes it hard to find information. Create a clear, intuitive menu structure. Ensure important pages are easy to access and consider using a search bar. Third, improve your call to action. Weak or unclear call to actions fail to engage visitors. Use strong, action-oriented language that communicates value. Make your call to action stand out with contrasting colors and strategic placement. Make sure to apply these tips to eliminate conversion killers and boost your website's performance. Need personalized advice? Contact us today and take your brand to the next level.